Time is running out for people to prepare for Florence, whether that's boarding up and hunkering down or packing up and heading out.
CBS 4's Ted Scouten is in North Carolina ahead of the storm's arrival, and Ted joins us now live from Wrightsville Beach. Ted.
Rude Van Elliott, people have just 3 more hours to get off of the barrier island here. A mandatory evacuation is in effect as Florence gets closer to the Carolina coastline, and everyone must go. Time is running out for people to get out of Wrightsville Beach. Everyone has to be gone by 8.
It's tough. It's kind of just a tough decision to have to take.
Edward, Eustace, and his girlfriend are making a final pass through their home, trying to make sure they're not leaving anything of value behind.
What's coming with us mostly is, all the family pictures, all the art on the walls, concert ticket stub book. No way I'm losing that. In the U-Haul, we're just packing all of our clothes and all of our, stuff, leaving all of our furniture behind.
For them, it was never a question about whether to stay or go.
As soon as we heard about the mandatory evacuation, it was just like, we were leaving anyway. We weren't staying for this one. We were not going to try and, being on the first floor, we're not going to try and hunker down and hold out.
Throughout the day, there's been very few cars on the road in Wrightsville Beach or even highways around Wilmington. Most people who plan to leave seem to be gone already. The ones still left behind are completing their preps before getting on the road.
We just, my future mother and father-in-law, their house is down the street. They're on the water, so we boarded their house up 100%, and now I've got to go do my house and get out of here.
Once David Duke is finished boarding up, he's heading to Fayetteville to ride out the storm. There was no way he was going to stay here.
It just doesn't seem like it's anything to play around with. It's just get out and make sure where you're going is safe as well.
And a live look at the ocean here at Wrightsville Beach. Not looking so bad right now, but remember, as Florence gets closer, things will go downhill. That mandatory evacuation is in effect here. People have until 8 o'clock to leave. And here in North Carolina, police do have the option, if someone refuses to leave, they can cite them with a misdemeanor for failure to follow in order to leave and order to evacuate. Live in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News.
Ted, you're obviously right there on the beach in Wrightsville. What's it like in the town right now?
And actually here in Wrightsville Beach, it's not, there's no one around. Everyone has already seemed to have left. The people who are still here are just finishing up the last minute things, then leaving. So there is no big line of traffic going out of town. And when you get into Wilmington, just next door, over the Intercoastal Waterway there, that area too, we were there not too long ago, pretty much empty. Very few people on the road. A lot of the businesses have already closed. So it appears that people are paying attention. They're leaving the area if they plan on doing that, or they're getting everything ready at their homes if they're going to stay.
All right, Ted, thank you very much from that live report from North Carolina.
Ted, thank you.